Hello and welcome to the TikTok transition tutorial, or as I like to call it, the Triple T. So in today's transition tutorial, we are going to learn something that I've been doing for a while and a lot of you want to learn, and that is the YEET transition. So first things first, you're always going to want to choose your audio, preferably something that you get hit. Alrighty, so now that you have your audio picked, I would recommend running this at ×2 or ×3 speed. Now that you have that first part done, you can walk off screen and grab a different piece of garment, but bring the other one back. Now once you've come back with your different piece of garment on, and you brought back the other garment, this is going to be key, you're going to stick your arm through the head hole. And you're probably asking why this matters, but it'll come in handy in just a second. Now you're going to put your arm across the screen and then pull. Now it'll look something like this.